Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your sales with HubSpot, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To secure your sales with HubSpot, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the sales dashboard from the main menu. Familiarize yourself with the sales pipeline visual. Customize your pipeline to fit your sales process by clicking on pipeline settings. Add or change deal stages to match how you close sales. Now, it's time to create a new deal. Click on the Deals tab in the Sales menu. Select Add Deal to initiate a new entry. Fill in the fields such as deal name, value, and associated contacts. Make sure to set a close date that aligns with your sales timeline. Once filled, click on Save to create the deal. Next, utilize the tracking features by setting up email notifications for any updates. Go to Settings and then Notifications to adjust your preferences. Integrate your email account to capture all communications. Use the HubSpot CRM to log calls and emails directly related to the deal. Move deals through the pipeline stages as they progress. Periodically review your pipeline health using built-in analytics. Identify bottlenecks or stages where deals often stall. Leverage HubSpot's reporting tools to gain insights on sales performance. Attend to follow-ups promptly so no opportunities are lost. Continuously refine your sales strategies based on these insights. Make use of HubSpot's resources, like training and support, for additional learning. Regularly update your deals and notes to keep everything current. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to securing your sales with HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.